just because it's different angles. Let's get a few screws, bro. While we're doing this. You are. Let's see if we can finish it today with that. I think tomorrow there won't be a lot. Good morning. How is everybody on this sunny Thursday? Actually foggy. It's supposed to be 15 degrees today and it's foggy crap. So today it's a bit of a dump in here, if I'm honest with you. Tom is finishing off there. Just everyone's a cut on an angle, getting his bevel out and messing about with it. I will tell you the truth, we cut one a flag about 3 times. Normally it's with a bevel, one cut. No, not with G-Dog, no chance. But I tell you what I do. What I do is this corner. That string line's as height, so halfway down that 4-inch post that I've just put in, comes across, and then from this corner goes down there. So we've followed the path on this, plugged and screwed it. The gravel board's underneath there, sitting loads of corner. So plugged and screwed it, took advantage of it, drawn as a line, and it finishes at the minute. It finishes there. Can you see the line? Let me take you down. Top line, Indian stone. Bottom line, hardcore. So with that now, a sleeper will go level off of there. So it'll like create a step, if you like, and then return back. But then another G-Dog special. Customer says, let's step this Indian stone at this post here. But this post here, in line, is, which line will it be? This line, this first line. God, I can't do my hand. This line here is in line. So then, all the flags are going to be in line across the garden, all the way back, which I'm very happy about. There's not going to be a cut. It's going to start as a full flag, work up, cuts at that end, but that end's twisted on angle anyway. So it all works out good, obviously. G-Dog's in town. You know how it goes. Anyway, stop bigging yourself up, you get slugged off for that. So, it's my job apparently. But yeah, guys, busy day today. I'm leaving here at 1:45, big meeting in Harrogate. These are going to be cracking on, but I should be back, but you can guarantee I won't. Well, posh gets it with Range Rovers dropping the kids off and picking the kids up and that. Anyway, let's not slag them off. Let's get on with it. afternoon. Been quoting this morning, been running around. Bit of a repair job on a little job. Just submerging this. Rocked up on this site. Tom has pulled out of the bag yesterday when I left. I know this is the same video, but I left yesterday to go to Harrogate to go quote a big, important job, which will be coming out later, I believe. They paved up to there yesterday. I left here at 1:45. And it was, I think we put 2 down, I think, by the time I'd left. I rang them at 5, done. We're on his way home. Patio's done. Just need to go in today. So they have, this morning, obviously, resined up, and now we're ready to jet wash his way out. Just tidying front up and just putting stuff on the van that we need to go for the next job. But yeah, let me just talk you through this job. So it was just grass from that sleeper down to this curb. Both sides. If you catch yesterday's video, you'll see us digging it out. Or day before's video, you'll see us digging it out. But now we've got this shed going up there. We've had to go to that corner so the door's open. Doors come out to about halfway on path. This is going to be a little seating area for like one table and having a coffee at, sort of thing. And this is going to be the settee over there, sofa over there. That's going to go on here. Now that's a nice little job, which is, to us, an absolute honour to do. I love it. Quick turnover. Good bloody payer, let's put it that way. We do struggle a lot trying to get money out of people. It's just a way of life, I think. But yeah, fast turnover. So like Monday, Tuesday, we've got one next week. And then I think Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday's a one-dayer again. So again, 3 jobs next week, which is nice. And then we've got a long weekend, which I'm very, very looking forward to. Tom's off to Iceland. It's currently -10, snowing like hell, windy as hell. It's like, well, you will go in winter. There you go. But this job for us is finished. So guys, I'm just going to hose it down, jet wash all this out, all the path, all the front, and get out of here. Go home, might even crack a beer. But guys, thanks for this week. I'll see you on Monday, 8 o'clock sharp.